Hello, in this video I want to show you how to upgrade this 15-inch from 4cc FL lamp to our UB54 series LED backlight kits. This is 15-inch, the screen is made by Mitsubishi, the screen part number is AA150XC01. Again, AA150XC01. This is a little bit old screen, but it's quite popular if you find those industrial applications and touch screens. And in order to replace it, to upgrade this, probably we had to disassemble everything. So that's why I'm wearing the gloves. The hardest part is because of this plastic covers. So you have to remove it before we can take this aluminum frame, the metal frame out. Okay. So some of them I already pre-move it. So there's a couple methods to do it. Either the easiest way, I think you're gonna use the blade to cut this, but be careful, don't damage these tabs. This way, or you can just simply cut it like this, and then we use those tips to tip it back later on. So I already took it out already, some of them, so this time I decided to here. So just be really careful, because this procedure is a little bit tricky. If you don't be careful, apply too much force to it, it's loosen up one of the tabs, will cause in the vertical color lines. This is the same thing on this side too. Be careful, if loosen up some of the tabs, you're gonna see black horizontal lines. Okay, this side I'm gonna do like this. See, or you can just simply cut it, but be careful with this flat cable. You know, you can just cut it because the tip is in between the aluminum plate to the circuit boards. So anyway, first thing we need to do, take this thing out. Okay, tilt it up, pull out. Okay, second, we're gonna remove these 3 screws that holding the interface screen modules. Oops, yep. Okay, next thing, we're gonna remove this metal frame. One side at a time, no rush. Look at this one, we already remove it. See this? See this? I already remove it. So, right, it's good. Alright. Just be really careful, you don't want to damage any tabs. There we go. Take it out. Set it aside. The metal frame, usually I will place a cardboard at the bottom just to hold the liquid glass. Much easier for me to transport. Flick over like this. Pull the wire out. There we go. Okay. So we're gonna set aside this liquid glass just for a minute. Let me find a safe place here. Go. Okay. All right. Here is the plastic film. I mean the back assembly. Looks like we have to couple them. You can remove this cover tape first. Here we go. Again, the reason I wear this glove because to prevent the fingerprints on this diffusion sheets. Okay. So because fingertips prints really difficult to remove it. So let me take a look here. 1, 2, there's 2 screws holding the plastic film. Okay. One's out. Oops. Okay. Goes out. Let's see. I'm gonna move this. Yep. Tape. We're gonna remove this. Okay. Looks like it's not that difficult to take it out. So let's start with this side. 1, 2. Okay, I think this like this, lean like this is easier. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's one more tips here. I'm gonna remove it. Okay. All right. It's coming out already. So. All right. It's up. So I'm gonna put it like this way. Okay. Here we go. We took it out, set it aside. And then what we do is then we're gonna get the whole stack of this diffusion sheets. Let me clean my tree a little bit. And you know, just pop it in the center, lay it on the top of the liquid glass. Okay. Now here we go. Ooh, it's black. There you can see that. So let me see here. Oh, it's back. So let's take a look. Let me set aside this for just for a while. I'm going to take a look at this reflectors. Yeah, it's going to fit perfect, but we might have to add a little bit. See a little bit on this side. So we might have to add a little bit silicone to make sure that LED stay inside. So before we mount the LED kit bit inside the original reflector, we want to test the LED first. As I said on all the videos before, other videos before, we always test this kit before we ship it to you. So you don't have to worry about it just in case. So in this video, I'm going to just want to show you just in case that how we test it before we ship it out. So basically, you connect to a okay. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, now let's try to install, oops, back to a reflector. White sheet here. Just prevent. So this one, when you take it out, there's some of the, because the lamp gets hot and this shield was fell off a little bit. You just scratch a little bit and just clean it. You don't have to just leave it all others like that. That's okay. But when you clean it, make sure it's all clean. So, yep. Okay. Make sure this end comes of wires coming out from this end. So this is the same thing too. Just take it out really easy. Or you can just simply just cut off the wire either way. So since we are not going to reuse this anyways. Oh, let's set aside the lamps. You see inside the special coatings. Okay. This one's okay. This one doesn't feel, but this one's bad. So let me clean it. Okay, this is the way we mount it back. This is 2 sticks. I'm sure that sorry, you may not be able to see the full screen, but try to do the best I could show you. Peel off this. Okay, lay it like this. Get the silicone. The reason because this one's a little bit bow ends, not 100% flat. So by adding some silicone, when you push it back, make sure it's flat. And but of course, you have to allow a little bit time for it to dry. So you don't have to add the whole thing. Just sectional is good. You can hold enough. Okay.